Welcome to Coromandel Area School, where the entire point of what we're doing out here is to create an outdoor classroom so kids can engage with nature and learn outside.
This project is twofold: reconnecting kids to nature and creating nature literate teachers so that they can teach outside and use the environment as a context for education.
I firmly believe that children learn so much more when they're sort of out in the environment and they're doing hands-on stuff, learning about the environment in the environment.
This is our first TREEmendous for 2019. We think it's important to look after our earth, and part of looking after our earth is these tremendous events.
The stream is really unhealthy and we need to make it healthy again.
We'll have something to look after.
It's fun and also you get to see worms.
Just to see so many people, so many different ages here is really quite inspiring and overwhelming.
I am like super juiced by this. This is it.